In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create graphs in Smartsheet, including bar charts, pie charts, and other visual reports that help you turn raw data into easy to understand insights. Start by making sure your data is organized in a sheet with clear column headers and values. Whether you're tracking sales, project progress, survey results, or team performance, having clean data will make chart creation much easier. Next, click Add to Workspace and select Dashboard. Dashboards allow you to display charts, metrics, reports, and other visual elements all in one place. Once your dashboard opens, click Add Widget and choose the Chart widget. In the Chart Settings window, click Add Data and select the sheet containing the information you want to visualize. Highlight the rows and columns you want included in the chart, then confirm your selection. Smartsheet will generate a chart preview using your selected data. You can then choose the chart type that best fits your information. A pie chart works well for showing percentages and proportions, while a bar chart is ideal for comparing values across categories. You can also explore column charts, line charts, and other available options depending on your reporting needs. After selecting a chart type, review the labels, categories, and values to make sure everything displays correctly. If needed, adjust the chart settings until the visualization clearly represents your data. Once you're happy with the chart, click Save. Your graph will appear on the dashboard where it can be resized, repositioned, and shared with your team. That's how to create a graph in Smartsheet using bar charts, pie charts, and other chart types. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.